So my name is Rodrigo Constanzo. I'm a composer, performer, and improviser who also writes software and makes instruments. And today I'm doing a workshop on machine learning and Max MSP. So the workshop that I'm delivering today is based around introducing some concepts of machine learning to people who may have not used it before, and introducing a set of tools that I've been making to make machine learning stuff in Max a little bit easier called SP tools. So throughout the workshop, I'm introducing the package and how it works, some of the basic concepts of machine learning like classification and clustering and regression, and how we can use them in a musical way. So machine learning is an approach to using computation where we use the computer to leverage things about the real world. So in this case, we're doing a lot of machine listening, so listening for audio descriptors, and also applying some processes similar to how our brains work with like neural networks. And Max MSP is a visual programming language that's useful for artists and musicians to get some code that would otherwise be difficult to write, but in an easier way. So the first workshop I did was a much more basic introduction to, I guess, Max in general, but also specifically live sampling. So using an instrument input and taking audio from that and using to create a performance instrument on the fly. In this one, it's a bit more intermediate to advanced, where we're applying some concepts from machine learning and AI, and then using those to build more complex systems that do more sophisticated processes.
Eu honestamente não estava com uma expectativa concreta, vinha só aqui absorver a informação que me dessem. Então, sim, já que sou um bocado novo neste mundo mais específico, esta parte específica da música.
Vim hoje porque um professor meu recomendou-me, mandou-me um workshop e já conheci o trabalho do Rodrigo e gostaria de incluir algumas das aprendizagens numas futuras peças ou algum projeto que venha a realizar no futuro.